Listen, what's that sound? It's a tractor! Look, this is a farmer's tractor. The friendly farmer has arrived, bringing the adorable animals in his trailer.
Hey, I'm old MacDonald. Ready for some fun? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some animals, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, wow, thank you, Mr. Farmer. So funny. Mr. Farmer, hello. How are you doing today? How is everything on the farm, Mr. Farmer? Hello, my young friends. I am happy to have you here at the farm today. Mr. Farmer, shall we see who is in the trailer? Uh-oh, let's have a look. Here is a brown horse. This is a horse. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Neigh, neigh. Listen. Neigh, neigh. Next up, a friendly cow awaited. This is a cow. This is a cow. Moo, moo, goes the cow. Moo, moo. Uh-oh. Next is the fluffy sheep. Hello, dear sheep. This is a sheep. Baba, says the sheep. Baba. Uh-oh. And here is the funny pink pig. This is a pig. This is a pig. Oink, oink goes the pig. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Listen. One more friend to go, and it's our feathered friend, the hen. This is a hen, a little hen. Book, 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 book goes the hen. Book, 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 book. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, we have a horse, a cow, a fluffy sheep, a friendly pink pig, and a hen. Uh-oh! Thank you, Mr. Farmer. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh. And Bingo was his name. Oh. Dog finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Horse finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Cow finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Big finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sheep finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Uh-oh, just have a look at this beautiful barn and a friendly farmer is right here. Good day, Mr. Farmer. How's everything on the farm? Oh, Mr. Farmer is quite upset. He can't find the animals. Oh dear. Where could the animals be hiding? Do you think the animals squeezed inside the barn? Yes? Should we open the doors and find out? Alright, let's get started. First door. Here we go. Who's behind it? Open and surprise! It's a cow. Hello, cow. Moo moo, says the cow. Moo moo. Bye bye, cow. See you later. Moving on to the next door. What's behind door number 2? Let's open. Ta-da! It's a horse saying, hey there. Hello, horse. Hello. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Neigh, neigh. That's great. See you later, horse. Door number 1, 2, 3. Door number 3. Let's open it up. Open. Oh, oink, oink, oink. Who's there? It's a piggy. Hello, piggy friend. How are you doing today? Oink, oink, says the pig. Oink, oink. Time to tuck you back. in. Bye bye, piggy friend. See you later. Who's left to unveil? Guess who is hiding inside this big barn door? Shall we open it up and see who's chilling there? Let's open. Oh, it's a woolly sheep. Well spotted, everyone. This is a sheep. That sheep sure is looking extra fluffy today. Baba, says the sheep. Baba. Bye-bye, woolly sheep. See you later. One more animal is resting in the nest, and it's our feathered friend, the hen. Buck, 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 buck goes the hen. Buck, buck, buck. Hello, hen. How are you today? Let's guide you back to your nest inside the barn. Look, my little friend, it seems that we have found all the animals. Hooray! And Mr. Farmer is happy now and says thank you for your help. Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. One little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Said Mother duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Said Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.